Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura. This machine was brought in because it wasn't making espresso and not brewing. And what we found is this thing just basically needed to clean up or a tune up and a cleanup, which is part of the tune up. So it was just so dirty inside the brew infuser. It had just been so gunked up that water couldn't flow through it and it couldn't move properly. So yeah, what we do is we open up the machine, clean out the inside, we replace the brew screen, we deep clean and soak the actual brew assembly, and replace the gasket and lubricate the moving parts in the shaft. And then we also run a descale cycle. And here it is, working once again, and we'll test it. There we go. Jura working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.